Sabrina, also known as Bombay Global Nomad, and I will be riding from Delhi on my Royal Enfield Himalayan to Manali and then eventually to Leh. And while I usually use just a little duffel bag that I strap on the back of my bike, this time I was looking for something more handy, and I found these very pretty, very nice front panniers Tripking by Lone Ranger. I've received the parcel today. I'm excited to unbox it to see how they look like, and I will be fitting them on my bike, and hopefully they will give me some extra space in the front of the bike, you know, for your knickknacks, your water, your gear, maybe the GoPros and things like that, and be a bit more handy than rather having everything in the back of my of my duffel bag. So yes, let's have a look. The parcel came today and I'm very excited, and I'll be reviewing it. I bought them. I have no affiliation with that brand, so I'll give you my honest feedback on whether they work for me, what's right, what's wrong, and what could be maybe improved, or if you should totally buy them if you want to go on a road trip. So stay tuned and let's unbox. So this is the parcel that I received. It's pretty sleek. I was actually quite surprised at how small it is, so I'm quite curious. Let's open it up. Nicely packaged, nothing destroyed, which is always a good sign. Okay, that's a lot of packaging. Let's have a look. Okay, this is how it looks like. Hopefully they're going to be nice. I don't know what I thought they're bigger, but I think that seems actually alright. Should close my knife for safety reasons. Done. So it looks actually quite nicely done. So what I noticed is it's foldable here. There's a lot of straps. I'm not sure. I'm missing a little bit like an instruction on how to do it, to be honest. I couldn't really find a manual online, which is why I thought let me review this, so that in case you guys decide on buying this, you know what to do. Let's see. What do I do? Okay, I'm clipping this open. That seems fine. Clipping these on the sides. There are two straps here, either side. One and two. You see, okay, they're lockable, so there's a little lock on it, if you can see that. So if you pull it down, you can't really open it up, which I think would be really good. Also, the opening and sealing mechanism seems pretty sturdy. Oh, nice. Okay, so they have like rain inners. So nothing really comes in here. So when you open it up, you can see this is where the waterproofness goes in. So you put all your stuff in here and you have an inner layer. So while you're fitting this, I assume you can remove it fully from the bike or just the inner layer, which would be great. Size-wise, pretty decent, I must say. I don't know what the liters are. I'll check it out and we'll post this in the video. But this is a pretty good amount. So we have all these little clips here where you can put extra things and tighten it on. And then on the back of it, there is this that's supposed to be my bike. It's not that self-explanatory, I must say. But let's see. Let's keep moving it up. And so you have to unclip all of that in order to remove it. Take it through the loops that you can see here. Open it up, unclip it. I guess once you figure it out, it's not that bad. But you're here with me, we're doing it together. So, more clips. It's a lot of clips. But I guess that means it's secure and won't fall off when you're riding. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've done that. Alright, so this is the plate that you get, and that goes at the back and the front of your pannier. So when you're riding on the right hand side, and on the left hand side, you have this little frames on the Himalayan. This will go against this. This secures it extra and makes sure it's in place. So you can see this is where it clips onto. It has this patch. It seems pretty sturdy, but I place it on. I place it quite nicely. As you can see, it's really sturdy. It doesn't come off easily, which is good. You don't want that. Place it, make sure everything is nicely connected. Everything loops exactly the way it's supposed to be. So one goes to the front. I hope I'm doing it right. Number one This looks good. This one goes to the side, this one to the side. And then when you place it around, you can just make sure this goes to all the little loops you have for safety reason. Clip it in. Like I said, this is the little clip mechanism, so you can't open it. When you pull it back, it's pretty easy. So I quite like that. It's like some extra safety. This clips around. You can of course tighten it as well depending on how much you have. We'll do the same thing up here. Back strap goes through this. Here we have the back strap here that goes through. There you go. And the last step is to put all your belongings in here and clip it to the side. I'm excited to go and fit that. Let me put some stuff in and then we'll see.